How to use Bit's credit card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Bit's credit card online. Well, you can use your Bit's credit card online wherever Mastercard is accepted. You can't use your Bit's credit card digitally before you receive your physical card. So you'll have to receive your physical card. Then how to use it online? Simply select the option to pay with a credit card. Enter your card number, name, expiration date and CVV number and submit the information. So it's important that you make sure that the Mastercard works, and if the Mastercard is accepted, then your Bit's credit card will be accepted. Simply enter in your card details like any other credit or debit card and you'll be able to use it online. This is how you can use Bit's credit card online. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.